Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing Walmart hidden gems. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra and I post lots of Walmart and Amazon content. We are bougie on a budget, so if you are to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Slide on over to that bell notification and hit that as well. Since you're already there, go ahead and hit the like button. I don't want you to miss out on my upcoming content because I do have a lot of fun videos planned as we're heading into back to school and fall fashion. Let's go ahead and get started with today's Walmart fashion haul. Walmart pajamas are not talked about enough. The brand Joyspun specifically. I started off with this brown gauze tank top and shorts set. I love this so much. It has a stretchy waistband, pockets, adjustable straps on the top, and a stretchy neckline right here. It's very, very comfortable. And I grabbed it in my regular size medium, which I will say that it does run big, but as you wash it, it shrinks down to fit. And now that I've washed it and worn it a couple times, it's only gotten better. So when I was in store, I saw that they came out with a flutter sleeve top, very similar with the stretchy neckline and the stretchy shoulders. They also had pants with the stretchy waistband and the pockets. They are a wide leg, super comfy, cozy fabric. I love that I'm able to get away with wearing these as a cute lounge set or even just a running errands, easy throw on little outfit. The sleeves were so cute when I pulled them off the shoulder. I would totally dress this up and just wear it out with some wedges and a cute handbag. Both the shorts and tank top version and the flutter sleeve version come in multiple colors, and like I said, as you wash and wear them, they only get better and more comfy. This time around, I went ahead and grabbed one of these little pajama dresses, also by the brand Joyspun, and I actually grabbed this one in a size large. I'm wondering if that's because they just didn't have a medium and I really wanted this black one, but it does have adjustable straps and I feel like it fit me just fine. I love that it has the ruffle on the top right here with the stretchy neckline, and it has a super cute ruffle on the bottom. This one did also come in multiple colors, and they do have your classic button down shorts and pants pajama sets. I hadn't ever bought any of their pajama dresses, and I was shopping for vacation. I feel like this is the perfect little pajama dress that I can even throw on over a swimsuit and wear around, but also I feel like I can dress this one up too. The fabric is so incredibly soft. Next, I want to talk about Walmart's denim because I've tried a pair from every brand. I have never been disappointed with Walmart denim, but I do want to talk about these high-rise free assembly shorts because I have them in literally every single color. I am obsessed with these. They are actually on rollback right now. I just saw on the Walmart website, so run and get these because they're so good. I've had this light wash pair for like 3 summers now, and all of the other ones I bought last summer. I was so excited when they brought them back. They are just the perfect fit. They're snug to my body, very flattering, super high-waisted. They smooth out my mom pooch, and they just have the most amazing fit. I can dress them down with tennis shoes and a cute little t-shirt, but I can also dress them up with a cute top and some wedges. I did grab all of these in a size 6, but I do quickly want to give a shout out to this cutoff pair. This one's more of a mid-rise fit. I also grabbed it in a size 6, but I just love how basic it is. The wash is really nice, and the details with all the fading is really nice. It's not overdone. It's just a nice basic dark denim. They do have a nice little stretch to them. They are just such a high quality denim fabric that I just tend to gravitate towards the free assembly, but if you want something that's super stretchy, I would go with the Time and True shorts because those are going to give you a lot of stretch and comfortability. But these two pairs are hands down my most worn Walmart denim shorts. Speaking of free assembly, you cannot go wrong with any of their cotton t-shirts or tank tops. This is my newest free assembly piece, so I just wanted to show her off. It is a high neck tank top, but it does have a tie closure with the open back. This fits perfectly around my curves. It's super, super comfortable, very soft, stretchy cotton fabric, and it is a midi length, so it hits me right at my calf. I have never been disappointed with any of the free assembly basics. I just recently shared a blue and white striped tank top that I've been wearing non-stop. They do have some just basic boxy tees that are really cute. There was a pink and orange one that I really wanted in store, but they did not have my size. Now let's talk about Time and True, because I feel like everything from Time and True is really good, but I just recently picked up two basic style dresses. I'm gonna start with this one because oh my goodness, it is the perfect summer dress, and if you live in Texas like me, you'll probably be wearing this well into fall. It is very lightweight, super soft fabric. I did grab this one in my regular size medium, and I really like the fit because it was kind of flowy and very comfortable. I definitely think that if I wanted it to be shorter, I could have sized it down, which Time and True does tend to run on the bigger side for me. So I'm surprised that I didn't grab a small, but I'm very happy with the medium. I am sort of considering cutting the bottom maybe like an inch and a half, which I do actually do a lot with cotton t-shirts and anything cotton fabric. Even denim I cut a lot because I am only 5'1", I am petite, and if you're petite, you know sometimes we just gotta cut off those inches. Let me know in the comments if you would cut it or not. I was debating on these cotton t-shirt dresses for a long time, years actually, and I'm glad that I finally took the plunge. The only thing with this one is that I did size down all the way to an extra small, which my regular size is a medium, and I'm actually very happy with the extra small. It still gives me that comfortable length. I like the sort of puff flutter sleeves and the tiered detail on the bottom. I went with a navy blue, but both of these dresses do come in multiple colors, and this again I feel like is a great transition into the fall. You could pair this with cute little booties and a nice little lightweight jacket, but again it is also perfect right now in the summer. And I absolutely had to talk about this gauze maxi Time and True dress again because I am absolutely obsessed with it. I love this bright pink color. I've worn this many times since I shared it in my last haul. It has been washing well. I love that it has pockets and the braided straps. I did go ahead and grab this one in a size small, and I could not be more happy with the fit. The straps are adjustable, so I could make it shorter if I wanted. This would be great as a swimsuit cover up. This one does also come in multiple colors. I also have to give a quick shout out to the No Boundaries ribbed basics. I recently picked up this green color. I thought it was so cute. Again, a great transition into the fall, but still a nice basic that I can wear in the summertime. I grabbed a medium in this one. I love the stretch in it. I like the short little sleeves, the higher neckline, and I do appreciate that it is a long line t-shirt, but I do have several other of the No Boundaries ribbed basic styles. I like the thicker straps on this crop top, and then this one right here is my go-to cropped t-shirt. I actually did grab it in a 2-pack with a white one, which is in the wash right now. This one is also in a size medium, as well as this little ribbed tank top. No Boundaries does typically run small in a lot of their other fashion items, but I have noticed that their basics do run true to size. Keep in mind though that No Boundaries is a junior's size range. Moving into accessories, I want to talk about hats first because this is my newest little hat from Walmart. And what I love about this is that it was like a custom pin application situation. And they had a bucket hat style with the pins, but I just know that I'm gonna wear a baseball cap style more, so I went with this one. I like that it is a basic nude color, but they did have a bunch of really fun bright colors. Each color did have different pins to kind of match it. And of course, since we're in the summertime right now, they do have super cute beach style hats. In the wintertime, they do always have super cute beanie styles. These visors I actually got last year and I wear them all the time. Do appreciate a visor so that I can just put a ponytail on. Of course, I went with both colors because they are so affordable. Look at me with hat hair here, but they do always have some super cute floppy hats as well, which I'm not typically a hat girl, so I didn't grab any new ones, but this one is just the perfect basic that I've had for many years and I've taken on vacation. Definitely go check out Walmart in store because that's where I do find a lot of the really good accessory hats like this. Now I want to talk about these checker print bags. I do actually get these online. I don't ever find these in store. I do like that they are the checkered print. They do also have the styles with the white and gray checker print that are really, really cute. I don't have any and I definitely need to get on that because I wear this one all the time. I haven't been wearing the fanny pack as much just because it did kind of get smashed in my closet, so I have her stuffed now, and once she gets her shape back I will probably style her again because look how cute it looks with this orange tank top. I absolutely cannot skip over the Time and True shoes. I love that all of them have memory foam soles. I just recently picked up this brown woven pair. I love it so much, but in my last haul I shared this crisscross woven pair. It does have a slight platform. I feel like every single time I go into Walmart, I go to their shoe section and buy a pair of shoes because they are so good and so comfortable. I did also want to mention these strappy scoop little sandals. These also have a memory foam sole and they are so incredibly comfortable. I love the strappy style with the knot on the front and the ankle tie strap. I just think that these are absolutely adorable. I need to get them in black because I wear them in white so much and they are more comfortable than any name brand shoe that I've ever tried. I also want to talk about their swimsuit cover-ups. These are so good. I love this kimono style one because I can just wear it with a tank top and denim shorts and have a cute little kimono moment. I could even wear this into the fall with a long sleeve top. Cute little jeans and cute booties would be perfect. If you're a hat girl, a cute little fall time hat would be so adorable. It does have sort of like fringe hem on the bottom and it does come in a one size range. This one did also come in a beige and I want to say a black, but I went with the mint just because I thought it was fun and different. You can find this one actually in the accessories department. They always have nice little cover-ups like this over there. The next swimsuit cover-up I found is this super cute wrap style leopard one. This one did also come in a black version. This is definitely going to be in my closet forever and it is a nice colored dark leopard print. It's not cheap looking at all. And it is by the Time and True brand. I always score when it comes to cover-ups. And actually I have one in my cart online right now that is a sarong style with a bucket hat. I just can't decide if I want a solid color or if I want one of the fun prints that they have, but I need to check out quickly because our beach vacation is coming up in the next few weeks. I totally almost forgot, but I wanted to talk about the Scoop brand, specifically their knit tops. The tank top that I'm wearing right now is by Scoop, as well as this one, and I've done dedicated Scoop fashion hauls here on my channel. They do run a little bit big, so size down one. I'm wearing a small in both of these, and I just feel like they look so high quality. They feel high quality. They're super comfortable. I even shared some in the springtime that were long sleeve that I will have in my closet for fall. If you have been wanting to shop Walmart fashion and you didn't know where to start, I really hope that this video was helpful. I will link everything that I mentioned down in the description box below. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.